Whew. I just returned from the market. I'm so tired. So I went to the market because, it's time to restock as usual. There's no more onion. We've run out of so many things. I'm off today, so I just decided to use the opportunity to go to the market to buy some things. It was hectic. So I bought so many things. So let's quickly put away all the things that I got. I got this 4 kg pounder yam, about 16 pounds. I got seasoning cubes, gino pepper and onion paste. I got banga pulp for cooking your banga soups. I got maltina. I got unripe plantain chips. I got okra. I used to use some of these bags, they are not bad. I got different types of meat. So these are all the meat that I got. This is beef. This is chicken. This is cow leg. This is goat meat. This is Nigerian goat meat. This thing you are seeing is 12 pounds. It's so funny because it's so small. This is half kilo. I've eaten Nigerian goat meat somewhere. He said he got it for about, I don't know how much. I thought he was joking. Yeah. Not until I saw Nigerian goat meat at television. I priced it 20 pounds for 1 kilo. 12 pounds with a bego. This kind of one, how many pieces? Look at how small it is. It came with the skin. It's even the breast side they gave me. Look at 12 pounds. Can you imagine? This 12 pounds would have gotten me like 2 kilos of the normal so-called goat or lamb meat that they used to sell here. But this one is Nigerian one. I don't know what I'll use it for. If I should do a soup, I don't just want to waste it. This one is shaki. This shaki is 12 pounds, 2 kilos. I got some turkey. I got half carton. Half carton was 22 pounds. So turkey, see, it's not even that big. Plantain. This plantain I got it for £1.50. Onion, a bag. And this is 3 pounds. I don't know what I want to do with this coconut, but I just got it. Hey, wait. Are you sure this coconut is good? I was shaking it, and there's water in this one. This one, there's still water. So I got the 2 of them for £1. I got Ziploc bags, freezer bags for putting meat in the freezer. I got yam. Yam is like a new bride in this country. How much did I even buy this to? £3 pounds. It's a bit fair now. I hope this is good though. Because sometimes you buy the yam, when you open it, it's gone. I got these 2 for £6. Another yam, got them from 2 different places. These 2, £7. I got, what's this? Spatula. This spatula, turning gari. We have the one we have, but this one is looking like it's broken. So I got this one. I got this for £1. I got prawn. I want to use it to cook okra soup. I got this prawn for, this is £3. I got tilapia fish. Tilapia fish, 1 bowl was for £10. I'm even surprised it's cheap today. It's usually £12. So I told them to cut it. So this is £10. This orange Romero's. I don't know, I just discovered it. It has this very nice aroma. So I use it once in a while depending on what I'm cooking. I bought all of this for £1.50. Romero's. I got a box for £6. All of this is for £6. It's a box. They poured it in this big bag. Ugu. This ugu was for £2. Uziza leaf, £2. Another uziza leaf, £2. Bell peppers. I bought this for £4.50. I forgot tomatoes, so I did not buy tomato. Did I not like tomato? And I also bought these green bell peppers. I bought 1 bowl for £1.50. Where is the hot pepper? Oh, it's here. I got this Scotch bonnet pepper for £3, 2 bowls. That's all I got. And it's surprising that I forgot tomato. I got spring onion. Please tell me what I want to do with spring onion. I don't know. The whole of this is £1. I've never seen this much for £1. I was surprised. So what I'll do is I'll just wash them thoroughly with salt and then chop them, put them in Ziploc bag and put in the freezer. I just cleaned up the fridge this morning. So these are some of my peppers from last month remaining. I'll have to put everything away now. This is how I put them. They have You stay. Stay like this. Stay, Joe. Something. This fridge used to piss me off. We'll be shouting up and down. Look at this, my old food I bought. See, it's still fresh. You see the new one? See the old one? It's still fresh. It looks like I just got it today. This has been in the fridge since 1 week. So I want to make quick egg sauce, yam sauce, the way leaves. This thing has been here for more than 2 weeks. And it's still fresh. I'll use it to cook more. Another thing I hate about stocking up the house is putting them away. Hey, I cannot leave it like this. I have to put everything away. If my younger brother was here now I don't go back to the house, I would have told him, oh yeah, I'll be doing this one. Even though he will not be happy, but he will be doing it. At least he will be gisting with me. Let's put Moreno in here. I used to put them like this until I want to use them. So I just put them like this and in the fridge. I think they look me having a Lord of Jesus. I bet nothing they did. I bet what's the name of this thing? It was because of my friend that I bought it though. Since I buy a friend don't let me open and chop. If you open it, it has like small seed inside. I don't know the name. It's been here since. Hey, Christmas is coming. I'm tired. Pepper. Alright. The peppers, I used to put them here. So in my house we don't eat much pepper. Sometimes I can use 2, 3 and restore. We don't really eat much pepper. If you put pepper, I'm not going to shout, hey, pepper, oh, my belly, oh. I'm picking out the ones that are bad because I don't want them to go and corrupt the rest. They say power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts most absolutely. Hey, I still remember small political science. So these are all the peppers here. Okay, let's give you a tour of our fridge, of our refrigerator. People they give a tour of their house. Me and our refrigerator I won't give a tour for. This refrigerator comes with 4 doors. It's high sense. So the upper part is the fridge, yeah. This part I basically put things like Greek yogurts. So this part usually is for cooked food. So when I do bulk cooking, I put them in the freezer, right? But what I do is from the freezer I bring out like a bowl and I put it here so that it defrosts there. So as you can see, this is cooked rice and beans, very yummy. So anybody that wants to eat starts eating from here. It's easier to also scoop because it's not frozen. Any other thing can also go here as well. This part mostly I use them for vegetables, ugu, cabbage and the likes. This part is for mainly vegetables like tomato, red bell peppers, any kind of pepper, tomato, spring onion, whatever. This part is where we keep like mayonnaise and the rest. This is the water tank. We refill it with bottled water. And this bottom part is where we put juices mostly. This place we put milk. It can be oat milk, normal whole British milk and all of that. Most times I just put random things here. As you can see, this is strawberry spread. You know, random things. This is hot sauce. And this part houses our eggs. There's a crate that holds the egg in here. So the bottom part now. So this is the freezer part of this part. We put ice packs and also put ice cubes. We also put ice cream here. Is where I put soup, cooked food. Soup, you know, everything cooked, food, soup, everything is here, stew. So this part contains meats. I just buy them in bulk, like I just bought these ones. I'll wash them and refill this part. We have another small deep freezer that will also put meat. So this part I put frozen vegetables, like sweet corn. This part is not as frozen as this part. It's plant-based, but is it patty or something? And this part also random things left over. This one is meat pie filling that I used the last time that is remaining. This is bitter leaf remaining. This part also can be for soup. So I can decide to also put soup here, right? That's a tour of my refrigerator. Don't worry, when I build house, I will still give you guys a tour. I want to wash the meat. And then here, meat and fish. Fish goes into the freezer. already bagging the bits. This one will give me 3 or 2. So I put them in there. I still have, I'll put some in that leg at the counter. To be a woman is not a day's job. Yeah, 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 now so you be. These are old turkey that I have. That's done. So I'll put these ones there. Let me just clean up this place because it's smelling meat and fish. Still come. Yeah, it's everywhere smelling meat and fish. So this is antibacterial for multi-surface. Put this one back. I forgot that I did personal care shopping as well. Cotton wool, pads, toothpaste, dishwashing liquid, antibacterial surface cleanser, just a hand wash, mouthwash, Dove bar soap, a cream cleaner or something for bathrooms, private wash, body cream, Sakpa Homey, I buy small one, body wash. This particular fragrance I found, shea butter and vanilla scent. Oh, it smells so nice. I also got another one, which is Bath Glow Up. It also has vanilla in it as well. That's for personal care products. I'm tired. So that's that for market review, guys.